was the?
Hi, this is a presentation for our second deliverable sprint, and we will be demonstrating how we, as a team, have learned how to generate reports on Salesforce, as well as how we have generated reports for food recovery via category, as well as food distribution, and how we have met the acceptance criteria for each of those reports. Looking at our first report, food recovery report, as you can see, we have specified a beginning and end date, which is included in the report as a filter. It goes from October 1st, 2018 until October 5th, 2018. The report is grouped and subtotaled by donor. As you can see, here's food donor Trader Joe's, food donor Collective Harvest, and the subtotals for each Trader Joe's 306.70 and 249.20. Within each donor, our report is grouped by food category and subtotaled for each. As you can see, food category for prepared, subtotaled to 55, food category for raw, subtotaled to 251.60, and down here, subtotaled for prepared 93 and subtotaled for raw 156.20. The report also has a grand total for all of the donors and categories right here. It's 555.90. Moving on to our next report, food recovery report. This one here is filtered by dates and just grouped and subtotaled by category. As you can see, we have specified the beginning and end date that's included in the report as a filter. It goes from the 1st of October until the 5th. Also, it is grouped and subtotaled by food category. As you can see, prepared here, subtotal is 148.10. Food category raw, 407.80. Also, the food total categories have a grand total down here, which is 555.90. Moving on to our food distribution report. For a food distribution report, we have also specified the beginning and end dates from October 1st to October 5th. The report is grouped and subtotaled by destination. So you can see we have destination Salvation Army, subtotal 133.60, destination Our Daily Bread, subtotal 160, destination Client Grocery Bags, subtotal 42.10. Additionally, we have a grand total across all the destinations, 335.70. This should meet all the acceptance criteria of the use cases that we have inside of our sprint. The only other use case is, as a team, we have all learned successfully how to generate these reports within Salesforce, thus allowing us to generate the reports that we just demonstrated. Thank you.